Here's a tutorial for how to make this cute advent calendar Christmas tree to give as a gift or count down to Christmas for your family. First, I take a 14 by 20 inch cake board and I draw a triangle to shape my cardboard. I am cutting it out with scissors, but you can use a rotary cutter or an X-Acto blade. You will need to cut out a lot of 4 by 4 inch squares. I cut 51 cellophane squares and 62 tissue papers. To shape each tissue paper square, fold it in half to form a triangle. Fold an inch down, then wrap that point into the center. Take the top point and fold it in towards the bottom point, keeping the triangle tucked into the center. Fold the cellophane squares like the tissue paper squares. Fold the square in half, then make an inch fold and tuck the point around to the other side. Add a strip of hot glue to hold the middle section in place and keep it folded together. Now we're going to alternate the tissue paper green to the cellophane green. I'm going to glue them together in a line to form the first row in my tree. There will be a total of 11 rows. For the first row, I will glue 8 tissue paper to 7 cellophane ones. I put a strip of hot glue on the cake board to mount the first row. Follow those same steps for the first 3 rows. On the 4th row, assemble 7 tissue paper branches alternating with 6 cellophane branches. For the next 2 rows, glue 6 tissue papers to 5 cellophane. On the 7th row, alternate 5 tissue papers to 4 cellophane. For the next 2 rows, glue 4 tissue paper to 3 cellophane branches. For the last 2 rows, alternate 3 tissue paper to 2 cellophane. Put a bow on the top. Glue 24 Lindt Lindor chocolates or whatever kind you want around the tree. The idea is to eat 1 a day until Christmas. Although at my house with littles, that'll be pretty tricky. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos for more Christmas craft ideas.